Hey guys, welcome to another video, Broke Girls Art School. In today's episode, I will be showing you my process from start to finish on this rolling pin. Drop a comment with any questions that you guys have, and as always, make sure to like and subscribe to see my future content. Let's get started.
So the first step I took was actually just freehanded everything on for this design. The name that my client wanted on there was Donna. So I actually used a piece of painter's tape as like my ruler at the bottom to make sure that I was sketching the name on straight. Next, I just found a reference photo of some really pretty flowers that I liked off of Pinterest. And I always feel like when you freehand things on, you'll get the most flow from it. And I definitely wanted this to look cool as you were rolling it. All right, so first things first, I went in with my ballpoint tip from Woodburners. And the machine I'm using is a Colwood Super Pro 2. So for this, I was using my heavy duty wire burning at probably a 6. Go in and getting those outlines out of the way. I'll go in with my shader afterwards to fill those in with solid black. And I kind of go about my wood burns the same way I do as my tattoos, where I go in and line everything first and then I'll shade afterwards. And as with all my other art projects, I always recommend going in with like a thicker liner around the outer edge of your subject matter and then using a thinner liner for the inner details. Like I said, I just really wanted this to flow as it was moving. I think it turned out pretty cool. All right, next I was going in with my round shader. Just blacking out the lettering to really make it pop. Now we're going in and shading the flowers. The cool thing about wood burning is you can add as much or as little detail as you want. If you have a nice solid sound technique, it'll always turn out looking really nice. I kept the shading pretty simple with this one because I just wanted it to be more readable than anything. Some little finishing details on the flowers, a little bit of shading in the stems. right, and here is the finished product.
Thanks again for checking out my channel, guys. We'll see you next time.